Friend, in this video you will see how to create update query and select query. At first, open database. Here two tables are ready, one admission table and another exam table. Total, result, percentage, blank. Suppose you have to calculate total, percentage and make out result. Select Create tab. Click on the Query Design option in the Other groups. Query Design. Show Table window has appeared. Select Required Table which you want to update. Now I want to update exam table, so select exam table, add, close. Click on update option in the query type group. Update option in the query type group. First I select total, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, sub 4, sub 5, sub 1, sub 2, sub 3, sub 4, sub 5. Now click on run option. Run. Yes. Run. Yes. Open exam table. Total calculated. Open query 1 again. Percentage. Total by number of subjects. Total by 5. Run. Yes. Exam table, percentage calculated. Open query 1 again. Select result, pass. Total, criteria, greater than equal, pass mark 290. Design, run. Yes. Fail, less than pass mark 290. Run. you are about to update one rows. Yes. Close query 1. No need to save. No. Total, percentage, result are ready. Now we will see how to create select query or simple query. Create tab, query design, add both table, admission table add, exam table add, close row table window. No need to click on update because it is select query or simple query. Select fields one by one, role, name, father's name, total, percentage, result. Role from admission table, name from admission table, father's name from admission table, and total from exam table, percentage exam table, result exam table. Save the query. Result sheet. Okay. Close query design. Now open query. Result sheet. Open result sheet. Name, father's name, total, result, percentage.